what we are, how we started and where we are, what is expected from the upcoming batch, what you can expect and what we are expecting from you guys. Okay, so I will start with the introduction of Husainiyah IT, then I will introduce the core team member volunteers, and then we will have your introduction. Before that, I will just give a brief like what we are looking for this batch and what we are expecting from you guys. Okay, meanwhile, if there is any comments you want to give, please feel free to message in the chat. We have Sudeep from the volunteers, we have Shahbaz bhai, Mr. Shahbaz, who is from the core team member. They would be in a position to answer the queries. Okay, and if there is anything, Sudeep and Shahbaz, you can route it to me. I will clear it over here. Okay, so starting the Husainiyah IT Pro. What is Husainiyah IT Professional? Why the name Husainiyah? And what is the background about it? I will go very quickly. So we started 3 years back, I believe in 2020, in the month of July. So it started with a very small group of people. We started with a group of around 5 people, and then we made them as a core team member, and we thought to spread this service to the larger community. Okay, so the story is like, I visited to Canada. Over there is it's a place like Husainiyah. They are serving the community without like they have a like feeling to serve the community, and it was very nice. I met Asif bhai, so he is there in our core team member, and I am a Microsoft certified trainer, so I have trained him in the Microsoft Cloud, Azure Cloud, and then we stretch this to the next 5 community member who are the core team member. After 6 months, we have stretched it to other participants also. Till that, from there to till that, cut short, we have delivered more than 30 sessions. More than 30 session includes your Azure, AWS, Linux. हम लोगों ने, मैं हिंदी में भी बोलूंगा, हम लोगों ने ये सब चीजें की है. We have done the advanced level of Azure also. हम लोगों ने बेसिक से भी स्टार्ट किया. 2 दिन के भी हमारे वर्कशॉप हुए, और हमारे वर्कशॉप 3-3 महीने के भी रहे कि हर वीकेंड में हम लोग कनेक्ट करते थे. So basically the concept, अगर आप हुसैनिया के साथ एक टैग लाइन देखेंगे, what is the concept, why we are coming with this? So the concept is learn, teach, lead and repeat. ठीक है, तो कॉन्सेप्ट ऐसा इस तरह से शुरू हुआ था. I and Mr. Faiz, who is the co-founder of this Husainiyah IT Professional, we have started, and हम लोगों ने एक छोटे से ग्रुप को हम लोगों ने पहले तो ये टेक्नोलॉजी लर्न की. ठीक है, then we have teach this technology to a smaller number of people. अब हम लोगों ने इस चीज को लीड किया, और उसके बाद ये चीज हम लोगों ने रिपीट की है. सो नाउ द स्टूडेंट्स, द पार्टिसिपेंट हु हैव लर्न क्लाउड टेक्नोलॉजी फ्रॉम अस विद इन 3 months 4 months, हम लोगों ने एक छोटा सा बैच उनको दिया. उन लोगों ने इस बैच को लीड किया और पूरे अच्छे से उन्होंने क्लोज किया. सो वंस वी हैव डिलीवर्ड, लाइक मैंने जो सेशन लिया था, एंड फैज भाई के सेशन के बाद इट वाज शाहबाज भाई ने लीड किया एक सेशन जकी भाई, एक सेशन जफर भाई ने, और इकराम भाई ने लीड किया था. सो द बेसिक मोटो इज कि आप उस चीज को पढ़िए और दूसरों को आप समझाइए, ताकि वो एक आपकी एक साइकिल बनी रहे. नाउ व्हाट इज द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट वी आर लर्निंग आउट ऑफ इट, मैं थोड़ा से अभी आपको जल्दी जल्दी बताता हूँ. ओके, लेट मी मूव टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. आई बिलीव दिस इज आल्सो विजिबल फॉर यू गाइस. Sorry, I'm asking again because
yes, it's fine.
Yes,
so
fine. Yes, fine.
Fine. Yeah, sure. Okay, we are very clear with our vision, mission and values. Okay, let us come to that. We have a vision of continuous learning. कि हमको, see the basic primary thing is that कि हमको continuation में आना है, because everyone is occupied. Each and every core team member, volunteers, फाउंडर्स, को-फाउंडर्स, एवरीवन इज ऑक्यूपाइड इन देयर बिजी स्केड्यूल. अब इसमें से टाइम निकाल के लर्न करना बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. क्या होता है कि जब प्रोजेक्ट हमारे पास आता है, दैट टाइम वी प्लान टू लर्न एंड डू द थिंग्स ऑन फ्लाई. सो टू मेक अ हैबिट ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस लर्निंग, एक ग्रुप स्टडी वाला फील भी आएगी इसमें. मिशन क्या है? ये हमारा बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट मिशन है. आई वुड से we are not against any class or any institute कि आप जाके कोई classes में enroll कर रहे हैं, you are taking the course from there. No, we are not against with that, but we want to nourish the ecosystem of mentor and mentee. तो जहां पे आपको एक मेंटोर रहे कि भाई मुझे ये इशू आ रहा है, आई नीड दिस गाइडेंस, आई नीड दिस टेक्निकल सपोर्ट. हमारे ग्रुप में काफी ऐसे, आई विल गिव यू द एग्जांपल लेटर ऑन आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस स्लाइड, वेयर देयर आर एन नंबर ऑफ एग्जांपल कि जहां पे किसी ने टेक्निकल हेल्प किया, किसी ने बंदे को कुछ जॉब का हो रहा था वहां पे इंटरव्यू के उसमें किसी ने हेल्प किया है कि किस तरह से आप प्रिपेयर होके जाओ. सो दिस सॉर्ट ऑफ मेंटरशिप यू हैव. क्लासेस में क्या होता है, यू गो टू क्लास, यू आर डन विद द सब्जेक्ट एंड देन चैप्टर क्लोज. You don't have interaction with your trainer or mentor, so that we are trying to maintain. Then we have values inclusion. We respect people, value diversity and committed to equality. Participant, we value and recognize the contribution of volunteers member within the organization and community. Then can someone allow? Okay. Quality, we strive the excellence through the continuous improvement. ये हमारी एक ये जो टैग लाइन है, continuous improvement, continuous learning, this is very important as a community or as an institute that we are running. Okay. Openness, we are committed to a culture of teamwork and collaboration. Regular feedback, ये नहीं कि पूरा कोर्स हमारा खत्म हो रहा है तो उसके बाद फीडबैक लेंगे, नहीं, हर सेशन के बाद we take a very quick feedback. Apart from that, you can call any of the core member or any of the co-founders, volunteers to give your feedback straight away. Okay, then let me move to next slide. Okay, so Husainiyah IT professionals. So basically it's a community of IT professional and enthusiasts who come together to share knowledge and experience in various technical field. We are not confined to okay chalo cloud karna hai, artificial intelligence karna hai. No, we can go with Excel also, we can go with PowerPoint also. We have done the session of Agile, Scrum, PMP, ITIL process, ये भी हमने किया. We have to keep our the field very open. So this group is open to all individuals with an interest in technology and desire to learn and grow in their field. So then the High Pro hosts regular meeting, workshop, event that covers a wide range of topics including cloud modernization, network administration, data analysis and more. यानी आपको जो मैंने बताया बड़ा ही हम लोगों ने ऐसा नहीं confined किया कि यही चीजें करना है. The group also encourage active participation and collaboration among members. जो मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि आपस में भी हम जो ग्रुप में आपको ऐड करेंगे, we respectfully रिक्वेस्ट कि आप रिस्पेक्टफुली आपस में बात करें और अपना कम्युनिकेशन एक्सचेंज करें wherever it is required. Providing an opportunity to network with other like-minded individual and build valuable professional relationship. Whether you are beginner or an experienced professional, the High Pro welcomes all individual looking to expand their technical knowledge and skills. So मैं आप सभी लोगों का वेलकम करता हूं. और let me go to next slide. ओके, सो ये अभी हमारे फाउंडर्स को फाउंडर्स के बारे में फैज भाई इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट शाबाज भाई देंगे, लाइक व्हाट आर द को फाउंडर्स, फाउंडर्स और कोर टीम मेंबर. सो ये आप देख रहे हैं हमारे कोर टीम मेंबर में है जफर भाई, शाबाज भाई एंड जकी. One of the like experienced and I would say very experienced, and we as a technical Husainiyah IT Pro, we have a very respect to Mr. Ikram. He is 70 plus and he is helping a lot, and this age he is working as a SAP consultant, I believe. Then we have Mr. Syed Asif. He is also a part of core team member. Moving ahead with volunteers, we have 3 volunteers. सुदीप साहब ये अपनी स्टोरी भी शेयर करेंगे कि इन्होंने कैसे ज्वाइन किया और कितनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज इनको मिली है और हाउ डेडिकेटेडली वेयर ही इज वर्किंग नाउ एंड फ्रॉम. इनका मैं एक शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन देता हूं कि ये ही वाज वर्किंग फॉर मुंबई पुलिस IT डिपार्टमेंट एंड देन ही हैज गॉट a good opportunity in a good company. He will explain that in the later discussion. Zain, he is also our, उनकी ये जैन और तरुण की फोटो नहीं थी तो इसके मैंने लगाया नहीं. सो जैन एंड तरुण आर अगेन वॉलंटियर. तरुण इज वेरी
फोटो अच्छा दिख रहा है सर.
अच्छा, थैंक यू. ओके, so Zain and Tarun are again the volunteers, and Tarun here is like very experienced, and he has recently got the opportunity to visit Singapore for some client meetings. So I'm not sure whether he would be able to join or not. So ये हमारे एक टीम का इंट्रोडक्शन है. अचीवमेंट्स हमारे अभी तक के क्या है, हालांकि स्लाइड में आप जो भी आप फिगर्स देख रहे हो सेशन वगैरह के, इसमें 4-5 आप और ऐड कर सकते हैं बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट द अपडेटेड वन. 30+ सेशंस हमारे हुए हैं. वी हैव मेजरली कवर्ड AZ900, AZ104. अदर टॉपिक्स जो हम लोगों ने कवर किए हैं वो है लिनक्स एंड नेटवर्किंग. अवार्ड और अवार्ड एंड रिकग्निशंस भी हमारा मिलता है हमारे टीम को जो हम देते हैं. हमने कोर टीम में अभी आई थिंक मैंने शाहबाज भाई को, आसिफ भाई एंड इकराम भाई को कोर टीम में अवार्ड मिला है वहां पे. And volunteers में it is we have identified Sudeep as a best volunteer. Ajit, he is a participant. He is not a core team member, not a volunteer. He is just a participant. But he is too active. हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना एंड हर सेशन में कुछ वैलिड क्वेश्चन पूछना और असाइनमेंट्स ऑन टाइम करना. सो वी हैव अप्रिशिएटेड देम. उनका अभी ये अवार्ड वगैरह रखा है. आई हैव स्टिल नॉट कोरियर्ड देम बट वी हैव नॉमिनेटेड देम. सो दे वुड बी गेटिंग सम गुडीज एंड ट्रॉफी फ्रॉम हुसैनिया आईटी. ओके, सो हेल्पिंग हैंड अप्रोच है हमारा अप्रोच यही है. टारगेट एंड गोल्स हमारे क्या रहते हैं. 50+ सेशन हमारे हैं अभी होने वाले हैं. स्पेशलाइजेशन हमको करना है AZ500 विच इज सिक्योरिटी, AZ700 विच इज नेटवर्किंग. डेवऑप्स का हमारा टारगेट है. इस साल हमारा टारगेट है 10+ गेस्ट सेशंस रखना, जो कि अभी हमारा एक गेस्ट सेशंस हाल ही में हुआ है विच इज रिगार्डिंग द बैकअप. इट वाज टेकन बाय द guy by the senior technical manager from Veritas who is leading the Europe के एक अच्छे खासे clients को handle कर रहे हैं. So as a voluntary he has came and he has given around 3 to 4 sessions of Veritas backup. अभी वो सेशन और एडवांस लेवल पे होने वाला है. देन वी हैव GCP, AWS, AI, ML एंड PMP. ये हमारा टारगेट है इस साल का. ओके, व्हाट यू वांट टू हेल्प अस, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, we need ideas. So let me explain and make it as a very clear statement and crisp that we don't need any sort of monetary support, direct, indirect. There won't be any sort of communication from co-founders, founders, from core team member or volunteer for any sort of like monetary help. We don't need that. We just need your ideas. Okay, what we need will come over here. What we actually need, we want mentor wanted, volunteers needed. So we want someone who can share their experience, who can become a speaker or come, I won't say speaker, but who can come as a mentor. कि आपने सेशन लिया, आपने अपनी एक्सपीरियंस शेयर किया, who can volunteer us. We need someone who can organize a session at their locality. हम तो ये ऑनलाइन कर रहे हैं, ऑफलाइन भी सेशन काफी होते हैं. like within a month I at least visit one university or college, मुझे invitation मिलता है and that is through the contacts. उन लोग invite करते हैं and I go there. Okay, we need you. Lastly, we need you. Okay, अब last statement है कुछ चीजें. Okay, to be very clear, we are technical user group. In a technical term, we name it as a technical user group. ये अगर आप सर्च करेंगे, there are various n number of technical group. Okay, promoting mentor and mentee, supporting consistent learning, open for any age, race, caste, religion, region, anything, trying to expand more. Okay, what we are not, to be very clear, we are not training institute, company, agency or any commercial organization. We are not professional trainer. Okay, now coming to this, all are not professional trainer. Okay, so now when it comes to trainer, I am a professional trainer. I am a Microsoft certified trainer. We have Mr. Faz, who is also a trainer. So but we all are not trainer. Okay, based we are not biased for any age, race, caste, region and religion. So this was about the Husainiyah IT professional. I will take the questions from here and then we will go for a quick introduction by Shahbaz bhai. Yeah, Shahbaz bhai, you can take the questions. I believe I'm audible, Sudeep.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tehzeeb. It was really great presentation you made, and it was informative and very short and brief. Really, we thank you for your time. valuable time on weekend in India and this early morning there. We have too many participants from all over the world, especially in Toronto. So, as Mr. Tehzeeb just shown in the introduction, that we are 7 core team members, but this idea and this initiative taken by Mr. Tehzeeb, so we always disturb him, we always thank you him, we always take his ideas, and we always consult him for any of our professional decision, professional education, certification, or anything. So he's very cooperative, and he has courage to teach others, which is very good. And we learn a lot from him in last couple of years. And along with Mr. Tehzeeb, we have a very cooperative and informative and experienced Mr. Faiz, Sayyid Faiz. He's in Malaysia, so he always help us from there. He's very experienced, knowledgeable, and certified professional in cloud computing system. Then, like Mr. Tehzeeb already, given you the presentation for our core team members, we have one other very senior and experienced and qualified professional, Mr. Ikram Jaffrey. He is certified from the Government of Canada for security, like many security certifications. He's very experienced. We learn a lot always from him, from his ideas and from his experience. So, Mr. Ikram Jaffrey also is a part of this group. And then we have other very experienced, knowledgeable, and very nice presenter and trainer, Mr. Zafar Haider Khan. He's just joining us in a while. He's also part of our group, like core team members group. And then we have Sayyid Asif Hussain. He has done certification in AWS. And I just want to mention Mr. Ikram Jaffrey also finish AZ900, and Mr. Zafar Haider Khan also after getting training from Tehzeeb Bhai from this platform. And then we have last but not the least, the core member, Mr. Zaki Ghatala. He is also from Toronto. So he's also a core member, and he's very cooperative, very experienced in different fields. We always count his ideas in different type of professional background and experience. So this is a core team. And then from volunteers or from India, we have Sudeep and other volunteers. They always, bringing new people to, train them for cloud infrastructure. And then others also, two other volunteers. One is, I forget the name. One is Zain, right?
Yes,
Tehzeeb
Zain
bhai?
and Tarun. Yeah, Zain, Tarun,
Z-
and Sudeep.
Zain, Tarun, and Sudeep. They are helping us from India in different like voluntarily services. This is our little bit introduction, and we always thank you, Mr. Tehzeeb and Faiz, and volunteers from India, and our core team members. They always help us in any type of a query or question or issue we face in cloud computing or any technological uh, like issue or any hurdle we face. This is our core group's introduction, and now I will ask Mr. Faiz if you can give us few minutes to explain our motto of this group or this platform. Mr. Faiz.
Yeah, thanks very much, Shahbaz bhai. So, hi everyone. So this is Faiz here. Okay, so Tehzeeb and Shahbaz both have explained a lot about the Husainiyah IT professionals and all the core members. So they have explained it very well. Okay. So our motto, as Tazib said, that our motto is like that. This is not the classes. We are not here to just teach people. So it's like that. We are a community. So we have to learn and then we have to teach others. So it's like give and take kind of thing. Okay. So and it's not nothing else apart from this thing that we have to learn or latest technologies right now in the market, so that it will be beneficial for us. And then we have to teach others so that others can also get benefited with this. Okay. So one thing is that we have to go like this way. And another thing, as we are going through this is a kickoff session. So we need a commitment and the seriousness from everyone who want to learn the technologies. So Tehzeeb has already shown a few things that what all things we have covered so far and what is our target. So our mission and vision is clear, and I hope everyone is clear with it, as Tehzeeb has demonstrated just now. So if you guys have any concern, any challenges, anytime you can speak to us. We are friendly. Okay, we respect everyone and we respect the decisions or the comments from everyone, and we take it seriously. If it is really helpful, then we definitely implement it. Okay, so that's the thing. We can continue with our sessions. So Tehzeeb will give us the details and the schedule and plans, what we are planning ahead for this batch. Tehzeeb, you already have the plans ready, or you
Yes,
will
yes,
show it
I
in next?
have the
Okay.
plan ready, high level. We will.
Tehzeeb bhai, one second. Raza M, you have one question, or you raise a hand before, or it's fine?
Yeah, I have a question.
Yes, please.
So
Okay.
for whoever it is possible, it's just a kickoff. So if possible for the participants who can power on the camera, that would be great. And then
Okay.
from the next session, it would be only trainers. I believe that's fine. Okay.
So, okay.
Okay. Yeah, Mr. Raza, go on.
Ji, so good morning, everyone. I'm little concerned about the DevOps engineering things, because I read few articles for the cloud in terms of cloud industry, that the future is DevOps engineering, either in Microsoft or in AWS. So if you prepare us for a DevOps engineer, so it covers all the areas from administration, testing, except the coding. So like CI/CD pipeline. Because I done a AWS course, but it's still, they are looking for the people who know CD, continuous improvement, continuous development, sort of thing. So who can talk to the team members or manager who's capable uh, to understand the whole cycle of from coding to the finished product.
Okay, thank you
So,
very much, Mr. Raza.
thank
We
you.
have noted down your question, and Tehzeeb bhai, you want to answer now, Faiz bhai, or you want to answer after that?
Yeah, I have taken it. Let me answer all the questions together.
Mr. Khurram Rizvi, Said Khurram Rizvi, you have a question also?
Ji, Assalamu alaikum.
Ji, walaikum
First of all,
assalam.
it's very good initiative, or learning new technology. I have been in this as in computer science. I am in one of the bank here in Toronto, working as a senior system analyst, business analyst. बट न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज को एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए हमें टाइम नहीं मिलता. हमें वही बात अभी आपने तहजीब भाई ने बात की कि वी आर so many other commitments or job ke baad, family commitments. So this is very good initiative. I'm very much looking forward to get something from this platform. Although मैं जो vision है या जो mission है कि learn and then reproduce and आगे इसको teach करने वाला, उसमें भी मैं कुछ करने की कोशिश करूंगा with the passage of time, or I will be very happy to give my input in this regard. So very good initiative, or I will look forward for the new upcoming sessions.
Thank you.
Sayyid Param Rizvi. Anyone other, any other person have any question or comment, so we can continue the session? I think everybody is fine. So Tazib bhai, over to you, please.
Yes, 1 second. आसिफ भाई का ऑडियो नहीं चल रहा है, एक बार उनको इन्फॉर्म कर दे शाहबाज भाई, तो ऑडियो करेक्टिंग में आ रहा है. ओके ओके, लेट मी शेयर माय स्क्रीन and then I will show you this. Okay, so this is a tentative plan that we have as of now. So basically we will start with cloud. Okay, and in cloud there are various cloud providers: AWS, Azure, GCP, Google, and number of providers. Okay, so now we will start with Azure, and then we'll go towards AWS, GCP as per the time permits. So this is the basic tentative plan that I have, and all the topics are covered over here. So what my idea is that we will segregate it as a workshop base. Okay, so let's say this topic, if I am taking, I will take it in a 2 hours topic. Okay, but इसी के लिए मैंने एक पोल अभी डाला हूं यहाँ पे कि आप मुझे 1 hour दे सकते हैं या 2 hours दे सकते हैं, right? Based on that, I can segregate the topic and I can decide it. We have the syllabus with us, we have the study material and learning material with us. So ये हमारा tentative plan है. Next week से we are going to start the session, which is, to be precise, which date it is? It is going to be 13th and 14th, right? So 13th से हमारा सेशन चालू होगा. वीक में एक दिन मिनिमम हमारा रहेगा. मैं 2 दिन का प्लान कर रहा हूँ. So it can be on Saturday and Sunday, or like you guys, like Friday night it is there, right? Friday and Saturday night it can be like that. So I will communicate by tomorrow itself. कल आप लोगों को एक अपना schedule मिल जाएगा, so that you can plan your week accordingly. हमारा स्टडी मटेरियल्स में पीपीटी या जो भी हम लोग शेयर करेंगे, दैट विल बी शेयर विद यू गाइस, एंड रिकॉर्डिंग जो होगा वो हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे भी आ जाएगा, हमारे फेसबुक पे भी आ जाएगा, सो यू कैन रिफर दैट एज वेल. ओके, सो ये हमारा स्टडी मटेरियल है अभी फिलहाल के लिए. हमारा ट्रैकर ये है. अच्छा, इस कोर्स का हम लोगों ने नाम दिए हैं AZ900 प्लस. सो वाई AZ900 प्लस? AZ900 के बाद रहता है AZ104. सो हम लोगों ने कोर्स इस तरह से डिजाइन किए हैं दैट इट इज कवरिंग ऑल द पार्ट ऑफ AZ900 and few part, and it is preparing you for AZ104. So that is the reason we have named it as AZ900 plus. ठीक है, ये हमारा कोर्स होगा. इसके रिगार्डिंग किसी को कुछ डाउट है कि किस तरह से होगा, क्या प्रैक्टिकल होने वाला है, थियोरेटिकल पार्ट कैसा रहेगा, कौन ट्रेनर रहेगा, इस तरह के कुछ किसी को क्वेश्चंस है, देन दे कैन कम अप नाउ.
Why did you select on the Microsoft? Why didn't you go for the AWS? Since AWS, I think it is more in the market right now. The demand is more as far as AWS is concerned.
Okay, so I would say AWS and AWS and Azure. Okay, these are the 2 cloud providers who are running neck to neck. Okay, and 1 second, someone is joining. Okay, and the reason is that we have delivered so much batch till date. We have, when we used to start with AWS, we were told by a few of the participants, let us start with Azure, because they were having that project in their company. So we started and we are getting the demand of AZ900. It's not like that we cannot start with AWS, but with Azure, you get a overall perspective and it is easier version to learn the cloud. So similarly, when you go with the DevOps, we recommend you to go with via Azure DevOps because it is easier to learn. Once you learn this, then you can easily go up with any of the cloud providers. So let's say अभी जिसको हम यहाँ पे VM बोलते हैं, this will just a name change in different platform. आपका ये cloud, आपका virtual machine in GCP आप virtual machine ही बोलोगे, लेकिन in AWS you will name it as instance. So once you have this, तो हम लोग दूसरे cloud पे भी जा सकते हैं.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, because in past we were getting this demands, Khurram bhai. So based on that, we have come up. We stick with this. But yes, we have taken the sessions on AWS also. Yes, Raza bhai. Now we have questions only.
जी सैयद भाई, अगर हम लैब वाइज करें ना, जो आप ऑन डेली बेसिस यू डू एट योर जॉब मार्केट, तो अगर हम लैब वाइज करें, टॉपिक में हम स्ट्रेट लैब करें और लैब में यानी कि जो अजूर की जो लैब है, उनकी जो माइक्रोसॉफ्ट लैब्स में जाके हम अगर पूरी लैब करें, तो उसी में अगर जो भी टॉपिक आता उसमें कवर करें ना, तो ज्यादा अच्छा है.
Okay. अब यहाँ पे भी ऐसा थॉट है कि we, as you might have seen the survey that I have put few days back. So यहाँ पे एक ऐसा मसला है कि we have few participants who are having huge number of experience, like they carry a lot of experience like 10 years and all. But कुछ participants हैं जिनको experience ही नहीं है, कुछ freshers हैं. और अच्छा, कुछ participants ऐसे जो 10 years का experience है, but they are not having the experience in cloud. So we have to make a basic layer for them and then we can fast the progress. So जिस तरह से हम लोगों ने cloud learn किए थे यहाँ पे, तो हमारे कोर टीम मेंबर में भी फैज भाई को क्लाउड पता था, लेकिन सफर भाई को भी कुछ पता था, लेकिन हम लोगों ने एक बेस लाइन लेके कि ओके ठीक है, दिस आर द बेसिक थिंग, विल नॉट गो इनटू मच डीपर, बट ठीक है, एक बेस लाइन क्लियर क्रिएट करते हैं, स्टार्ट फ्रॉम देयर. सो ये जो आप प्रोसेस देख रहे हैं, लेट मी जस्ट ब्रीफ आउट दिस वेरी क्विकली. ओके, सो ये अगर आप देख रहे हैं ना, इस तरह से इसको, ये आपका कोई सिलेबस में कहीं पे ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा जिस तरह से मैंने और फैज भाई ने इसको डिफाइन किया है. इसको भी हम लोगों ने काफी सारा डिफाइन किया है. मैं एक बहुत फास्ट जाता हूँ, ठीक है. डिप्लॉय एंड मैनेज वर्चुअल मशीन, आपको एज्योर का ओवरव्यू मिल जाएगा, मशीन का ओवरव्यू मिल जाएगा, प्लान क्या है आपके, कितने अमाउंट जाता है, उसमें खर्चा होगा, ये आपका वर्चुअल मशीन के रिलेटेड. इसके बाद you are good to create virtual machines, आपको पूरा वर्चुअल मशीन का अंदाजा हो जाएगा कि कैसे क्या है. ये वाले सेशन के बाद you will know okay what is resources, मॉनिटरिंग क्या होती है, एक्सेस मैनेजमेंट क्या होता है, मैनेज आप कैसे आपके सब्सक्रिप्शन को करोगे. फिर उसके बाद हम लोगों ने ये वाला पार्ट दिया नेटवर्क का, जिसमें आपको नेटवर्किंग पता चलेगी कि एक्चुअली नेटवर्किंग क्या होती है. क्योंकि ये वास्ट टॉपिक है, तो हम लोगों ने इसको इसके लिए पहले नहीं रखे, इसको बाद में रखे, जिसके लिए आपको थोड़ी सी अंडरस्टैंडिंग होनी चाहिए कि क्या है क्लाउड. इम्प्लीमेंटिंग एंड मैनेजिंग स्टोरेज, ये बहुत वास्ट, हम डिटेल तक गए. तो इस तरह से वी आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम बेसिक एंड देन वी आर मूविंग, वी आर टेकिंग अ पेस. आई बिलीव आई हैव आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन.
जी मैं समझ गया. ठीक है, इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं, इस तरह से भी जा सकते हैं, और इस तरह से भी हो सकता है जैसे कि एक आपने टॉपिक एक्सप्लेन किया, उसके साथ उसकी लैब भी कर ली, जैसे आपने ये बताया वर्चुअल मशीन का.
यस, ऑल दिस आर लैब ओरिएंटेड ओनली. लैब्स होंगी. So labs का आप, it is not going to be theoretical, it is not going to be one way, it is going to be a two-way traffic, it is going to be practical as well. But I would say the trainer, whoever is the trainer, अब ये हो सकता है कि ये मॉड्यूल मैं ले रहा हूँ, ये वाला मॉड्यूल शहबाज भाई ले रहे हैं, या ये वाला मॉड्यूल जफर भाई ले रहे हैं, एग्जाम्पल, राइट. तो ट्रेनर is going to help you 20% only, 80% you have to give your efforts, right?
अच्छा,
हाँ
सॉरी, एक चीज और हो गया, अज्योर का जो अकाउंट बनाना है ना, वो अगर आप साथ में सबके एक साथ बना दीजिए, और वो क्योंकि 90 डेज वाला अकाउंट,
ये है कंसर्न, we can do that, but it is certainly not advisable, or no one would like to put it in the screen sharing and doing their commercial things, right? So because जब आपका कोई भी क्लाउड प्रोवाइडर का आप बनाते हैं असेसमेंट, अपना अकाउंट, सॉरी,
जी,
तो उसमें आपके एक क्रेडिट कार्ड की डिटेल्स डालनी पड़ती है, राइट? हम लोग प्रोसेस
जी।
शेयर कर देंगे एंड माइट बी वी हैव इन अवर हुसैनिया ब्लॉग वाले उसमें है, मैं वो लिंक आपको शेयर कर दूंगा ग्रुप पे, जिसमें आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप रहे कि हाउ टू क्रिएट अ एज्योर अकाउंट। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, दिस इज व्हाट,
ठीक है।
इफ यू आर स्टक समवेयर, आप पिंग करिए ग्रुप पे, आई एम 100% श्योर, forget about core team and volunteers, but there would be someone who will help you. So yes, ये वाली चीजें हम लोग नेक्स्ट सेशन से पहले हमारा अकाउंट रेडी रहेगा, so we can make it. And I would advise not to make the account so early, because आपको 30 days का फ्री ट्रायल पीरियड मिलता है. So make your account when we are starting 13th, so make it on 11th or 12th. Okay, so आप एज्योर पोर्टल को आप देख लें अपने हिसाब से. 30 डेज तक आपको कोई चार्ज नहीं रहता है. $100 का आपको यूएसडी का एक कूपन मिलता है बाय माइक्रोसॉफ्ट, सो यू कैन यूज द सर्विसेज. बट वो $100 अगर आप एक दिन में यूज कर लेते हैं सर्विसेज ऑन रख के, सो इट विल बी ऑफ नो यूज. ओके,
तहजीब भाई, Sayyid Khurram Rizvi was asking something, or is clear, sir?
नहीं, मेरे क्वेश्चन का यही आंसर मिल गया मुझे कि भाई हम प्रैक्टिकल भी करेंगे, तो उन्होंने तहजीब भाई ने बता दिया, क्योंकि मैंने अभी रिसेंटली स्टार्ट किया है AWS में, दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज आस्किंग यू. तो AWS में तो वो 1 साल का हमें देते हैं टाइम क्लाइंट के, आप 1 साल के लिए इस्तेमाल कर सकें. तो अब ये इसमें इन्होंने 1 मंथ का कहा है. और
अच्छा, इसमें जी सॉरी, आप प्लीज कंटिन्यू करिए.
नहीं, इट्स ओके, गो अहेड.
सो एक चीज ये रहती है,
तहजीब भाई एक सेकंड, थोड़ा मैं ये खुरम साहब और everybody is listening. Actually, you know, this Excel sheet what Tehzeeb bhai shown is theories, but you know, mostly you will see all the topics will be displayed or explained directly on virtual machine, directly on lab. So you will enjoy, and when you have your access in the lab, when you do yourself, you will be more, you know, happy that I have learned something.
Yeah, thank you for that one.
ओके,
No problem.
एंड वन मोर थिंग, मैं एक और चीज इसमें 2 चीजें ऐड करता हूँ खुरम साहब आपके लिए, कि फर्स्ट, इफ यू आर एज यू आर डूइंग AWS, okay, so you can come to me or Faiz bhai, and you can ping in the group if you are having any concern, if you are willing to ask any questions on that specifically. Based on the time base, we will answer your queries as well. And yes, after this, as जैसे आप बोल रहे हैं, तो हम लोग नेक्स्ट सेशन जैसे हमारा ये हो जाएगा, आई विल प्लान हाउ वी कैन डू द AWS ऑल्सो. ठीक है,
थैंक यू.
एक रीजन ये भी है ना खुर्रम साहब के most of the people are coming from Microsoft, so they are feeling, I know, like they are feeling good towards the AWS, like Azure. ये भी एक कहीं ना कहीं ये टच रहती है बात में. Okay,
एक्चुअली मैं जस्ट फॉर सेक ऑफ, मुझे अभी तक इसका प्रोनाउंस करना ही नहीं आ रहा. मुझे अजोर जो है ना, वो मुझे AWS इज वेरी सिंपल एज कंपेयर टू अजोर. तो मुझे इस वजह मैं जब स्टार्ट किया, मैंने क्लाउड के लिए, मैंने कहा चलो इसको एक्सप्लोर करूं, तो AWS मेरे सामने आया या एक दो. तो एनीवेज, दिस इज डेफिनेटली आई विल लर्न फ्रॉम यू. एंड कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजी तो टेक्नोलॉजी तो एक ही है ना, यानी उसका कॉन्सेप्ट तो एक ही है ना, तो वो इट विल हेल्प अस.
जी खुरम साहब, ये जो इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन है, इस पे हमारी काफी डिटेल डिस्कशन हो चुकी है. तो मैं आपको बताऊं, एक्चुअली क्या है कि व्हेन वी हैव गॉन थ्रू दी Microsoft presentations or training sessions, they pronounce it like Azure, and in India, other part of the world, they pronounce it like Azure or Azure. So all are fine, all are same, all are correct, but the Microsoft, they pronounce it like Azure.
ओके, Azure.
ये इस पे हमारा पहले भी हो चुका है डिस्कशन काफी, सो हम लोगों ने वो चीजें किए थे. ओके, अच्छा, एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज मैं आपको बताता हूँ, एंड देन वी कैन प्रोबेबली टेक द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द वेरी फर्स्ट इंटरेस्टिंग है आपके लिए मिस्टर खुर्रम, दैट वेरी फर्स्ट session, very first batch that we have started the Husainiyah was from AWS. हम लोगों ने AWS से स्टार्ट किए थे. So आसिफ भाई was the first, तो उन्होंने स्टार्ट किए थे. ओके, ठीक है. So I will take the next question because we have 10 minutes. Then we can.
I think Tehzeeb bhai, before starting the question, we want all the participants to just introduce yourself for a little bit brief location, your profession, or education or experience, whatever you can. So then we'll have some information of you. So it will be easy for us to give you any assignment or any like volunteer task or anything. So I'll start with Mr. Raza, who is the first on the top. Raza M.
जी जी मैं जो मेरा तारुफ ये है छोटा सा कि मैंने अभी AWS सर्टिफिकेशन, फर्स्ट जो सर्टिफिकेशन है इसकी क्लाउड प्रैक्टिशनर की, वो मैंने पास की है। और ये मैंने कोर्स किया है यहाँ टोरंटो से ही। यहाँ पे एक एजेंसी है जो कि गवर्नमेंट फंडेड है, तो वहां से मैंने ये कोर्स किया AWS सर्टिफिकेशन। उसके बाद जब मैंने ये कर लिया तो मुझे ये पता चला कि नहीं होगा, आई नीड फ्यू मोर थिंग्स इन माय रेज्यूमे, जिसमें वो लोग ये देखना चाहते हैं कि Office 365 हो, you should know the knowledge of Linux, you should understand the concept of Azure. So Azure, they would like to know Azure plus AWS both. So जैसे कि इन्होंने कहा कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म जो है ना हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं Azure से, बिल्कुल ठीक कर रहे हैं। ये इजी है, इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड है, और जब हम ये कर लेंगे तो हम AWS भी हमें समझ में आ जाएगा। AWS थोड़ा सा वन लेवल अप है, तो और उसमें लिनक्स का बैकग्राउंड चाहिए थोड़ा सा, वो लिनक्स बेस्ड है ना, तो वो लोग प्रीफर करते हैं लिनक्स बेस्ड। तो आपको कमांड लाइन ये सब कुछ आना चाहिए, डेटाबेस की नॉलेज होना चाहिए, क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी आपको पता होना चाहिए। वो ये सब उन्होंने हमें पढ़ाया है कि क्लाउड सिक्योरिटी भी पढ़ाया है, डेटाबेस भी पढ़ाया है, लिनक्स भी पढ़ाया है। तो मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूँ फैज भाई से कि वो हमें लिनक्स सिखा देंगे थोड़ा बहुत, कि इतना कि हम AWS और ये एज्योर क्लाउड पे काम कर सकें।
जी
क्योंकि
रजा
थैंक
भाई
यू
लिनक्स की
रजा भाई,
बहुत
ये
जरूरत
पॉइंट
है।
रेस करने के लिए। मैं भी फैज
हैं?
भाई के पीछे बहुत पड़ा हूँ, मुझे भी काफी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स आ रहे हैं जो लिनक्स के हैं। मैं ऑन एंड ऑफ मैं फैज भाई को बहुत परेशान कर रहा हूँ उस पे।
जी जी,
जी
लिनक्स प्लेज अ वाइटल रोल। ये जो मैंने पूरा AWS किया ना, उसमें पूरा जो कमांड लाइन पे, यानी कि इवन के हमने जो यानी कि वेब सर्वर
रजा साहब,
डिजाइन किया, सारा कुछ वो सब लिनक्स बेस्ड किया, कराया उन्होंने हमें,
जी
यानी थ्रू
रजा
द
भाई,
कमांड लाइन। और मैंने आपको दिखाया भी था ना सैयद भाई, एक दो प्रोजेक्ट में आपको मैंने दिखाया भी था अपना।
रजा भाई,
जी
आपको इंट्रोडक्शन के लिए टाइम दिया था, और डिस्कशन कर लेंगे बाद में, तो बाकी लोग भी हैं। शुक्रिया
ठीक
आपका।
है।
जी सादिक साहब, सादिक अली प्लीज।
आवाज आ रही मेरी?
जी बिल्कुल आ रही है।
अच्छा जी, my name is Sadiq. Kind of living here in Canada for a while, working a few projects in IT. I have a bachelor's in computer science from Pakistan. So far, I have a knowledge, but not have to like have experience in a computer field. So thank you very much, Shehbaz bhai. Just give us that opportunity. So inshallah, that's all.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Sadiq. Mr. Abbas. Abbas, are you available? Otherwise, on Jamal Sayed. Yes, Abbas, please continue.
Assalamu alaikum. Sorry about that.
Walaikum
Was
salam.
on mute. Okay, so my name is Abbas Sayed from Toronto, Canada, originally from Pakistan. I have done it's like bachelor's in computers, and then I started with the infrastructure job, but now getting towards or like became went into the application operations and sort of DevOps. And I would like to learn, even though I'm working on Azure in the office, but obviously I would like to have knowledge and certification, inshallah. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Okay, Mr. Abbas, can you just tell me your location in Canada?
Richmond Hill.
Okay, great. Thank you very much for joining. And I want to request other participants, if possible for you, if you want, you can, start your introduction in your video cam, if you can. Otherwise, audio is fine. So we have other participants, Mr. On Jamal Sayed. Mr. On Sayed On Jamal. Just unmute your mic and you can start your introduction, please. If you are available, otherwise we'll start from Kamar Kazmi.
Shahbaz bhai, take it fast.
Yes.
Yes, Kamar Saab.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for this opportunity. I appreciate it. I'm looking forward to learning. I have a background in insurance, actually, so and a little bit of help desk. So I don't have too much of an IT background, but I am looking at pivoting, and I'm a very eager learner. So inshallah, I can hopefully pass on this knowledge and also become a volunteer one day as well. I'm in Toronto, Ontario, Canada.
Oh, great. Thank you, Mr. Kamar. We have Mr. Kazim Zaidi.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
My name is Kazim Zaidi, and I'm a bachelor's of computer science and work for Gap as a data center specialist, management of data center. I'm VCP as well, managing Azure Active Directory over there, and wanted to learn more about the Azure technology and AWS. And thank you very much for conducting this course. And I would love to be a part of this course and learn some more.
Thank you, Mr. Kazim. And maybe we learn from you as well.
Oh, no, sir.
Mr. Mir Sarfaraz Ali.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
I'm from Calgary, Alberta, Canada. So I'm interested in IT sector, filal boom kar raha hai, and I want to get into IT. I'm basically from Tamil Nadu, Chennai, and I have bachelor's in commerce, and I did MBA from India as well. Or साथ ही साथ में I have done couple software engineering diplomas from NIIT, but it was long back, like 10 years ago, 15 years ago, when I was doing my bachelor's in India. So then I moved to Canada, Calgary, and I was into retail. And again, मैंने थोड़े job switch किए, but still I'm in retail right now. And now I want to transition into IT. Inshallah, from this course, it's going to help me out. And inshallah, I'm foreseeing myself into IT sector soon.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Mir. Like Mr. Faiz said, it's your dedication, your time, your focus. Sometimes people think there's something is coming free, they don't give value. But we request everyone, if you give value, this is your benefit. If you not give value, you will lose. So we have other participants to introduce, to just start introduce. Mr. Muhaddamat Rasul.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Amanat Rasul.
Okay, sorry. Can you just pronounce again? Muhammad Amanat
Rasul. Muhammad Amanat Rasul.
Yes, please.
Mr. Mateen here.
Mateen bhai, Bismillah.
Assalamu alaikum bhai. Shahbaz bhai.
जी Bismillah.
जी मेरा नाम मोहम्मद अमानत रसूल है और मैं कनाडा टोरंटो से हूँ, बैक होम इंडिया हैदराबाद से हूँ
Great.
तो मुझे नेटवर्किंग की नॉलेज है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, मगर ये नेटवर्किंग में केबलिंग इसमें जानता था। ये मुझे अब बेसिक नॉलेज यहाँ से चाहिए मुझे। बस आप लोगों की बस थोड़ा सर पे हाथ रखें आप, इंशाल्लाह मैं कुछ आगे बढ़ूंगा, कुछ कर सकूंगा आप
नहीं,
लोगों के साथ मिलके इंशाल्लाह।
सर पे हाथ अल्लाह का है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। आपका टाइम
इंशाल्लाह
देंगे तो बहुत कुछ
नहीं,
लर्न
अल्लाह का तो
करेंगे
हाथ
आप।
जिंदगी भर है, अल्लाह का तो हाथ रहे, मगर आप लोग बड़े भाई है, आप लोग का भी हाथ चाहिए मुझे।
वेलकम, वेलकम सर, वेलकम। थैंक यू फॉर योर
थैंक
टाइम।
यू,
यू गिव टाइम, you get something. We learn from you also.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Muhammad Raza Ali Akbar.
Assalamualaikum everyone.
Walaikum
My name
salam.
is Mohammad Raza Akbar. I have done my, sorry, I'm from Mississauga, Ontario.
Great.
I've done my bachelor's and master's, but not in IT. Currently looking to explore the field of IT. I've just done Microsoft Active Directory on the side and exploring Azure at the moment.
Great, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us. And we have other participants for introduction. Om Harne.
Hi, very good morning.
Yes, please.
My name is Om Harne. I have 5-year experience in US IT healthcare. I know
Great.
how to check out the accuracy of the model, but I don't know how to deploy over on the AWS server. That's why I'm looking for this session. It's really helpful for me.
So currently you are in US?
No, not in US. I'm working in Mumbai, but the work I am doing is US IT healthcare.
Okay, great. Thank you for joining. Anything else you want to say, or you will go to other participant?
No, that's all for now.
Thank you.
You are referred by Jagdish?
No, Swati.
Okay, okay.
So we have now Radha Mirza.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
So my name is actually my name is Asif. This is my son name. So
Okay.
I'm working in telecommunication. I'm in Toronto, and I'm using Azure as a user, but I don't know how they deploy the codes inside the Azure. So as I said that I'm working in testing different types of project like standalone and cloud based and web based. So that is my background.
Thank you very much for joining, sir. Thank you for your introduction. We have next participant to introduce. We have Syed Zain. He's our regular volunteer participant, but I want to request him to introduce yourself because other people will know you better. Zain.
Hi everyone. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
I have done my bachelor degree in IT, and previously I'm working as a data analyst. Now I'm working as a DevOps engineer in Atos in Malaysia.
Great.
Uh,
Thank you very much for joining, and hopefully you will continue your volunteer work with this group as well, right?
right.
Okay, thank you. We have Sudeep also.
Shahbaz
Sudeep,
bhai, just to add over here, very quick thing. So Zain is a young and dynamic volunteer for us who has joined recently, I believe just 1 year, and he has learned new technologies. He's very motivated and very like very interested in learning new technologies and the new opportunity. Specifically, see the help of networking. Faiz bhai has guided him a lot for the new opportunity. Yes. Yeah, Shahbaz bhai, sorry for.
Yeah, no problem. I know Mr. Zain from a long time when he joined first time in our session. So I'm very happy for him, and hopefully he'll grow more. We have Sudeep
Yes.
now, our regular volunteer. Sudeep, if you can introduce
I would
yourself.
like to thanks to every members of the Husainiyah IT, those who have guided me.
Welcome, welcome, Zain. You are good guys, so you'll grow more very
Thank
quickly.
you. Inshallah.
Yes, Sudeep.
Hello everyone. You may get some background noise because I'm traveling. Sorry for that, for this inconvenience. I have total 10 years of experience in this IT industry. I am at present working as a cloud analyst, cloud analyst, and you can taste
Sudeep,
that I
Sudeep,
am very
lot of
Uh,
background.
yeah.
Sudeep,
Sudeep, one
let us
second.
take you in the next call or
No, no,
something.
no, 1 second. Sudeep, can you mute your mic? Because we know more than, we know too much for you. I'll ask Mr. Tehzeeb to introduce for yourself. Tehzeeb
Okay.
bhai, so for Sudeep,
Yes, yes.
something to say, Sudeep.
Okay, so very quickly, Sudeep, Sudeep was one of my student. So Sudeep started with AWS. We were having a batch, and it was my commercial batch where he was my student, and then I have added him Husainiyah IT, and he gradually shown he's interested and become a volunteer. He has taken a couple of sessions also, and as I said, he was working for Mumbai police IT department, and then he got the opportunity in one of the company, which is Accenture. So now he's in a very good like position in cloud. He's a sort of leading sort of thing in Accenture for AWS. Sorry, for Azure. So we started over with AWS. Now he got the opportunity in Azure. So yes, this was about the Sudeep, and he is very, I will just say take next 30 seconds. He has attended each and every session, whether he is traveling like he's doing now, whether he is in hospital. So recently he is blessed with a baby. At that time also he was attending the session from hospital.
Oh,
And we
congratulations,
really
Sudeep bhai.
appreciate that effort.
Congrats, Sudeep bhai.
Thank you,
Great.
sir.
No problem. You're welcome.
Let's go to the
He's
next.
very dedicated, very helpful. Anytime you message him, call him, he'll help you. I have got too many helps from him. We have 3 more participants to introduce. We have Sukena
Sorry,
Anis.
sorry, sir. Actually, I was in traveling in train. So sorry, sir. Recently, I have completed my Azure certification as well. Sorry, AWS. So I have already provided the information to our sales, sir. Correct, sir?
Yes, yes. It will come to our website also. I will add it. I'm adding few
Okay,
things in
okay.
website. Yeah.
It's all about you, sir. All of you, sir. It is all of your mentors help and encourage that I'm doing one by one my milestone. I will complete the DevOps milestone as well within this year. That is my
We really
again
appreciate
milestone for
your
me.
effort, Sudeep. We really appreciate your effort. So at a time like having multiple offers in hand and choosing that, it's very difficult. I know, like so you are working hard for multiple offers also. Okay, so Shawaz bhai, let's take the
Yeah,
next
we
part.
have 3 more participants to introduce. We have Sukena Anis. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, hello, assalamu alaikum, everybody.
Walaikum salam,
Uh,
welcome.
this is the first time I'm joining this batch, which has been conducted. I'm in Toronto. I live in Vaughan in Canada, and I have been here since 8 years. I worked before in Dubai and in India, and I'm almost 20 plus years in IT industry. My main work has been mostly as a project manager, and after that databases, Oracle, SQL Server, DB2, MariaDB. And recently I have, a year back, I did my AWS Solution Architect Professional Certification, but I don't have any hands-on on that. And currently I'm working for TD into databases, and we have been asked to get certified into Azure. So when I saw this course as a good opportunity for me to look into Azure, do some hands-on, and then talk to all the professionals here to then get certified. So I'm expecting that I will be able to complete everything with you all and get my certification done too. Thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, Ms. Sukena. Tehzeeb bhai, I want to say something for Ms. Sukena. She is very active volunteer in Toronto, mashallah. First time I'm just listening her voice, but she is very active in different groups, in different tasks throughout the community. And hopefully she'll continue to help us in this platform as well. Thank you, Ms. Sukena.
Surely, anytime my expertise into databases or project management, wherever I can help out, I'm ready to help.
Just
Thank
we
you.
need your time to regularly attend these sessions. You will learn and we'll learn from you also. Thank you very much for joining.
Sure. Thank you.
We have second last participant, Swati.
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Yeah. Hi, everyone. Hello, Husainiyah team. Sorry, Husainiyah team. And my name is Swati from Mumbai, India. Since I was working in banking sector, after that I took a break, career break, and now I have took transition in data science. So recently I have done course in master's in AI. So looking forward to exploring data science field. So that's why I'm searching out more and more resources to learn cloud and data science. So I got reference from one of my college friend, Faz. So he has referred me to attend this session.
Thank you, Ms. Sawati, for joining this. Hopefully, you'll continue, regularly attending these sessions, and hopefully, we'll have a good group. And then last but not the least, we have Sayyid Khurram Rizvi. Khurram Rizvi Saab, please.
Can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Yeah. So my name is Khurram Rizvi. I'm here in Toronto, Ajax, for last 8 years, and I have been working as a senior business analyst in one of the bank here. So I'm from Pakistan. So this is my background. Again, I already told you that this technology, the cloud technology, I'm just want to explore it and utilize whatever it will help us. So I may not work as a developer or network side, but at least I want to know so that I can explain to my management. I can get something from my team, since I am leading a team of some people. So this is my main goal, to attend this course and this opportunity. And definitely the community I can be in touch with all of you whenever I will visit the different Imam Bargas, and so this is a plus point for that one as well.
Thank you very much, Mr. Khurram Rizvi. I think we have met many times, different places.
Might be by face. We met each other.
Yes, we'll meet again. Then we'll refer this session as well. Tehzeeb bhai, this is all for the introduction. Over to you, please.
Thank you. Thank you, Shahbaz bhai, for taking this, and thank you everyone for joining the call. I believe I'm audible, right?
Yes, please.
Yeah, thank you everyone for joining the call, and hopefully we are going to continue this fruitful session in coming days also. A lot of expectations are there, but yes, we will try to fulfill all, and we will try to look in all the dimensions. Yeah, so it was a very good session, although apologies that we have extended it for 13 minutes. I don't want to extend it further because it's very late over there in Canada. I really appreciate each and every participants, especially from Canada, attending this call, and the very last moment change that we have made in the timing. So sorry for that as well. Okay, Raza bhai, मैंने वो account creation का share कर दिया हूँ link. ये this is our second website, which is Shore for Azure. You can have all the things of Azure over here. I think we are good.
कहाँ पे share किया आपने?
मैं आपको इंडिविजुअल व्हाट्सएप पे कर देता हूँ. मेरे जूम की चैट पे है, बट आई विल शेयर इट ऑन व्हाट्सएप आल्सो विद यू. ओके.
अच्छा, एक चीज और.
एनीथिंग फ्रॉम यू एज यूजुअल. वी क्लोज द कॉल आफ्टर योर.
जी सैयद भाई, अपना कल भी यही टाइम रखें.
ठीक है, मैं आपको वो टाइमिंग वगैरह का मैं 1-to-1 शहबाज भाई से बात करके मैं आपको अपडेट करता हूँ. फैज भाई, एनीथिंग फ्रॉम योर साइड और वी कैन क्लोज. फैज भाई. Okay, I think we are good to close. Yes, hands up. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Shahbaz bhai.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for joining, everyone. Thank you, Tehzeeb bhai.
Thank you, Shahbaz bhai. Thank you for that.
Thank you,
Bye.
Mateen bhai.
Thank you.